أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. We will learn from letter Qaf to Noon. Today our first letter is Qaf, and Qaf has two dots on top. Please remember, Qaf has two dots on top. Dots are very significant, and you should know Qaf has two dots. And please read after me. Qaf, Qaf. And Qaf has thick sound, heavy sound. If you raise your tongue toward palate, you can make your sound heavy and thick. Qaf, Qaf, Qaf. Let me explain you origin of Qaf. This is tongue, and this is base of tongue, and this is empty space of mouth. This is uvula, and next to uvula this is soft part of palate, and this is hard part of palate. And Qaf pronounce from here. Base of tongue touch with soft part of palate. From here you can pronounce Qaf. One more time. This is tongue, and this is base of tongue. This is empty space of mouth. This is uvula, and next to uvula toward mouth, this part, this is soft part of palate. From here you can pronounce Qaf. Please read with thick sound, heavy sound. Qaf, 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 Qaf. Our next letter is Kaf. Kaf has thin sound and has no dot on it. Please read after me. Kaf, Kaf. Please read with thin sound. Kaf, Kaf, Kaf. Let me explain you origin of Kaf. This is tongue, and this is base of tongue. This is empty space of mouth. This is uvula, and next to uvula is soft part of palate, and further up toward mouth this is hard part of palate. So remember, base of tongue and hard part of palate. Base of tongue touch with hard part of palate. From here you can pronounce Kaf, and you must read Kaf with thin sound. One more time. This is tongue, and this is base of tongue. Base of tongue touch with hard part of palate. From here you can pronounce Kaf, Kaf. Kaf has thin sound, and there are two Qaf. This is Qaf. This letter has thick sound, and this is Kaf. This letter has thin sound. Both letters have almost same sound. Only you can make difference between these two letters reading with thick sound, this one, and this letter read with thin sound. So you can make difference, read with thin sound, and this letter Qaf you read with thick sound. Kaf. Please read after me. Kaf. 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 Lam. Please read after me. Lam. 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 Let me explain you origin of lam. This is corner of tongue. These are front teeth, and this is first molar. So let me explain you from inner view of mouth. This image has inner view of mouth. This is tongue, and this is corner of tongue. For pronouncing lam, touch the corner of tongue with the base or gums of 3 front teeth. From here, you can see green line. This is gums of front teeth. For pronouncing lam, touch the corner of tongue with the base or gums of front teeth and first molar, which is along them. This is first molar. These are front teeth, and this is first molar. For pronouncing lam, touch the corner of tongue with the base or gums of 3 front teeth and first molar, which is along them. From here, you can pronounce lam. You can pronounce either way, right hand side or left hand side, up to you. Lam. 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 Please don't take help from English word because there is no English in Quran. Lam. Our next letter is Meem. Please read after me. Meem. 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 These are lips. Meem can be pronounced by joining both the lips together. Meem. Please try now. Meem can be pronounced by joining both the lips together. Meem. Meem can be pronounced by joining both the lips together. Meem. 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 Our next letter is Noon. Please read after me. Noon. Please remember, Noon has one dot. Remember, Noon has one dot in middle or top. Noon. Please do not forget Noon has one dot on top. Noon. Noon. Let me explain you origin of Noon. This is tongue and this is edge of tongue. These are front teeth. Let me explain you from this image because this image has inner view of mouth. This is tongue and this is edge of tongue. These are front teeth and these are gums of front teeth. Okay, so two parts are very important in this origin: edge of tongue and gums of front teeth. For pronouncing Noon, touch the corner of tongue with the base of first three front teeth. From here, you can pronounce Noon. One more time. This is tongue. This is corner of tongue. These are front teeth. And these are gums of front teeth or base of front teeth. Corner of tongue. Touch with base or gums of front teeth. From here, you can pronounce Noon. 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 This lesson is completed. Now you please practice this lesson 3 times a day for 3 days. And we will learn our next lesson soon, inshallah. If you have any question regarding this lesson or previous lessons, please ask in comments section below and we will give you quick answer, inshallah. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. Allah, Allah, Allahu. 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 Allah, Allah, Allahu.